Hey guys, welcome back to Sunita's English Adventure, and I'm back here with another vlog for you all guys because you've been requesting me for a very long time to create one vlog for you all. So here I am. Although I don't know what I'm going to talk about or what I'm going to show you, but let's just go with the flow. So I have with me today my little one, Ruddu. Say hi.
Hi, Ruddu.
And he was crying his heart out, his lungs out actually to come along with me. Then I had to carry him along with me. She's also creating a vlog. As you all know, she is a vlogger too. So yeah, she's trying to click some shots for her vlog. And with us is our driver. So he is Bhanu. He's my Devar, he's my brother-in-law. And we all are going to a wedding actually, and today is Mahila Sangeet. It's a ceremony before wedding day actually. I don't know what do we call that in English. Sangeet, Mahila Sangeet. क्या बोलते हैं महिला संगीत को?
महिला संगीत ही तो बोलते हैं.
Okay, so I don't know what do we exactly call this ceremony in English, but in this ceremony, like people enjoy, people dance, and it's a kind of lively ceremony before wedding.
Cocktail.
And there would be cocktail, there would be mehendi celebration as well, like women will be putting mehendi on each other's hand, and then obviously the bride. So that kind of function it is, and the weather is so cool today. Cool breeze is blowing actually, and the weather is favorable as well at the same time because we didn't want to wear sweater. We didn't want to put on sweater today. So yes, the weather is favorable and we're feeling good. And so let's see what all I can show you today. And I hope you'll enjoy today's vlog with me.
And look at this path, isn't it beautiful? We come here sometimes for evening walks and every time it just feels so peaceful. The views around here are so stunning, seriously. When you live in a place like this, where would you even want to go? And wait, just look at this view I spotted while passing by. I had to show you. Clouds floating between the mountains. It literally feels like heaven.
If you have never seen monkey, there is one. Look.
Oh, hello.
So we have reached the destination. It was so near to our home, and let me tell you, it is my relative's wedding actually. रुद्र देखा है, किसी ने देखा तो नहीं?
And there we spotted the bride, and oh my god, she looked like an actual princess in that yellow outfit. So here is a cute ritual we have. During the Sangeet, the bride and her family perform separately. And just look at her dance. She's totally killing it. Such expressions, such grace. I mean, everyone was just staring at her like wow. Honestly, I don't think I could ever dance like that, not even in my dreams. And after that, the family performances started, and then the real fun began. People were dancing their hearts out on Gadwali songs, and if you have ever listened to them, you know they hit different. Even the villagers joined in, like full josh, full energy. The whole village felt alive. Everyone was so into it, and the vibe was just something else. Later in the evening, here is Dolly applying mehendi on her hands, and let me tell you, she has literally become a pro at it now. I was actually surprised to see her skills. Like, I had no idea she was this good. After she did hers, she applied mehendi on my hands too, and I absolutely love it. There is just something about mehendi. It makes your hands look so elegant and beautiful. These little moments, these occasions, they give us a chance to slow down and relax and enjoy doing what we love. And just look at the design she made. Isn't it gorgeous?
अच्छी और
सुंदर। आप एक बार प्लीज यहाँ पे आ जाए, आप बहुत प्यारे लग रहे हो सच में। आपको पता है मैं आपकी पूरी वीडियोस देखती हूँ, जो आप कर रखे हैं मैंने आपके, जो आप इंग्लिश का वो देते हो, सब सुनती हूँ।
So after meeting one of my lovely subscribers, we headed straight to the wedding venue, and guess what? By the time we reached the Barat, the wedding procession had already arrived. And you can see these beautiful horses here. In our culture, the groom and the Panditji ride on horses for the final stretch to the bride's house. It's such a grand and traditional sight, I must say. And just look at this view. Kids walking home from school with such happy faces. It instantly reminded me of my own school days. Meanwhile, the ladies were all set to welcome the Barat with full enthusiasm. There is this little tradition here where the main members of the groom's family cut ribbon and offer some money as a token. It's super cute and symbolic, I must say. And oh, here is the twist. The main path was completely blocked by ladies, so we had to take a shortcut through the fields, and I'm not even kidding, we had to jump to the next field. It turned out into a mini adventure, but honestly, that's what makes weddings in the village so memorable.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another day and we are sitting in the bride's home. And it's so hot here, I can't tell you. There is a lot of rush, lot of crowd out there. So it has become so hot, and the weather is also humid kind of. So we are sitting inside here with my relatives. Look at them. They're all dolled up and sitting inside. So we are waiting for the weather to settle down, and then we'll go outside to have a glance at bride and groom. So let's see how it goes. See, she's my sister-in-law. They both are my sister-in-laws actually, and she is, the left one is my elder brother's wife, and the right one is my younger brother's wife. So yes, say hey. Say hey.
Hey.
Hi. How are you? So yeah, here is my chachi. And there is my bua. There is my bua. So today you all have seen so many beautiful girls here. So there must be an overdose of it actually.
So दोस्तों, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो हमारी दीदी जी लहराती हुई अपनी साड़ी को, और बहुत ही प्रीटी लग रही है। और मैंने दीदी को रेडी किया है आज, देख सकते हो आप। दीदी का मेकअप देख सकते हो आप, और दीदी की जो ड्रेसअप है वो भी मैंने ही किया हुआ है, तो काफी अच्छी लग रही है हमारी दीदी जी। खैर अच्छी तो है, लेकिन आज ज्यादा ही अच्छी लग रही है, क्या करे। बड़ क्या होता है वो बोलो कुछ। ये डाल नो, हम OTT नहीं देख रहे हम। हाँ, दिस इज माई OTT। और
tell me, how do I look in this OOTD?
My God, मतलब फुल बेइज्जती।
And let me show you my Devrani's OOTD. Here is my Devrani, my sister-in-law, and she's just shying away, I guess. What happened?
What happened? क्या?
You look so beautiful.
Yeah.
What is the secret? What is the secret?
Secret
Makeup.
No. Makeup no, but real beauty and हम प्रकृति, इंग्लिश में नहीं बोलती मैं, हम प्रकृति से जुड़े हुए हैं ना, इसलिए हमारी रियल ब्यूटी है। अगर आपको भी इतना ही सुंदर और ब्यूटीफुल बनना है तो आप भी हमारे पहाड़ में आ जाओ। पार्लर में आओ और मेकअप कराओ। पार्लर में आ जाओ, मेकअप कराओ,
नेचुरल मेकअप कराओ।
यस, नेचुरल मेकअप।
And you have never seen this person in my vlogs ever. So here is my twin brother. His name is Sunil, and here is my Chacha ji. He looks so smart.
चाचा जी, धामी जी
कैसा?
धामी जी, नमस्ते कर दो। नमस्कार।